It's time for a message from the future. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back, Wicked Family. Welcome back to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new message from the future. So in these videos, I talk about products that I really love to order. Alright, so there are a lot of arcade machines out there, and what I think is really interesting sometimes that we're having this, let's say, tiny cabinets that contains a lot of games, or naughty system from China. Right, so I came across AliExpress this 12-inch HD screen built-in 1000 game. I know there is a video out there from a fellow YouTuber who made this, let's say, a similar product review about this mini arcade stuff from another brand, a brand I never heard of. This is the Pow Kitty. Oh yeah, but looks. I don't know what to think of it. There are two USB connections, or I'm guessing there are two USB connections. It's always what I love about these things on AliExpress, that there's not a lot of information about it. So it supports a download the app, so if you want to be naughty yourself, you can do it. Oh yeah. I see arcade, I see NES. I'm guessing if it can play NES and arcade, you can play other stuff. But here comes the point. 192 euro, so that's a lot of money. Yeah, a lot of money. So let's do scroll a little bit for information. What can we find with this thing? So it's a 12-inch screen, okay, but it doesn't say anything about resolution. No. Let's see, it supports download. So this means that it can be connected to your television. Nostalgia, console with rocker. Let's see, we have more. Android version 5. Okay, it's an older version, but this is what concerns me. It's having 4 GB of internal storage. Seriously? Now, in this year, we're still having this shitty product with 4 gigs of internal storage? So I'm guessing it's only for retro gaming, or... Alright, so the audio interface, video interface output is HDMI, so they are finally going to learn it. Okay, the measurement, it was a very tiny screen. So do you know I'm afraid of this thing, that if I'm getting this, that it's going to be in that is going to have a poor emulation. Very poor emulation. The control panel, right, basic as it can be. I don't like the layout of the buttons. I really love the curve, or that the buttons are a little bit close to each other. That's something that I think that's not going to be very comfortable. The screen looks pretty decent. I did some reviews about other things, for example the TV box, but it had a horrible screen to be compared with other systems. So I'm guessing this is it. Yes, there is no more information. Oh wait, shall we click on this one? Come, let's click on another version. Okay, maybe this one has more information. Ooh, this one even has a video. I'm going to mute the... Alright, so it seems to be that this thing is emulating arcade games pretty fine. Can play with other games. Alright, so even this page has even a video on it. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, so it's all the same stuff. So let me know, what do you think of this? Would you consider something like, want to buy something like this? Because there are a lot of way out now, a lot of different ways we can play arcade games. Or on a small cabinet we have the Pi-K, TV boxes, you name it. Most of the products are pretty damn expensive to buy. There are some DIY kits, but I think it's really cool about this one because it's running on Android, so I'm guessing you have a support of a lot of stuff. But the most problem with these things are that there is no way to getting in the back. So in other words, you cannot change the emulators, you cannot add new stuff. Yeah, you can add games, but you cannot add new emulator or new possibilities, or you cannot improve. There are some feedbacks of people are very happy about it. Alright, so I hope I can get my hands on one of these and just review it here on the channel. For now, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell. And don't miss out any Wicked videos and become one of the Wicked family. Oh, and if you like gaming, I also have a gaming channel where I do only gameplay every single day. For me, I'm going back to the future. See you next time. Sky will prevail.